Students, today we are going to see some of the exercises on 1NF and 2NF. First one, the relation R of A, B, C, D, E with functional dependencies A to D and B to E. Find the highest normal form, find the next highest normal form. So what is the candidate key here? Yes, of course, AC combination is the candidate key. Since AC is the candidate key, A itself is a partial key, C itself is a partial key. So, the functional dependency A functionally determines D. Is it full or partial? Yeah, it's partial dependency. The non-prime attribute D is dependent on partial key A. So the highest normal form is 1NF. We are assuming that all attributes A, B, C, D, E are atomic. How to convert it? We can put the partial dependency attributes into a new relation. Yeah, that is R2. R2 contains A and D with A as the key. Then the remaining attributes, that is A, C, B, E, is put in the another relation R1. Here AC is the candidate key. In the second relation A, it's AD. In the AD relation A itself is the candidate key. Both relation are in 2NF, right? Yes, it's 2NF. In the R2 relation A is the key. A is the key. A is the full key. So A functionally determines D is a full dependency, not the partial. Okay, now we can go for next exercise. R of A, B, C, D with A functionally determines B, C functionally determines D, A functionally determines C. Find the highest number form, transform it to next highest form. What is the candidate key here? Yeah, there is no candidate key is given here. We have to find it. How to find it? We have to take the closure. Initially, we take the closure of single attributes. Yeah, no single attribute closure contain all the attributes. Only AC closure contains all the attributes. AC closure contains A, B, C, D, E. So we can take AC as the candidate key. So here also there are so many partial dependencies exist. A functionally determines B is a partial functional dependency. A is a partial key. C functionally determines D is again a partial dependency. A functionally determines C is again a partial dependency. Since the presence of so many partial dependencies, the highest normal form is 1NF. How to convert it? So there are two functional dependencies with A attributes. A functionally determines B and A functionally determines C. So we can put in one relation. R1 of ABE R1 of ABE with A as the key, A as the candidate key. In the second relation, we have C and D with C as the attribute. But after combining these two tables, is there any common attribute? No. So we have to create one more table. Yeah, we have to create one more table. AC, the relation R2 with A and C as the attribute. Here in the relation R2, both AC as the candidate key. That means AC combination as the candidate key. So now we can move to another question. The relation R of A, B, C, D E with A functionally determines D and C functionally determines E. Find the highest normal form. Then again we have to find the candidate key. We did not get any single attribute as candidate key. We did not get two attribute as candidate key. Here ABC combination is the candidate key, ABC combination. So the highest normal form again it is 1NF. A to D is partial dependency, C to E is again a partial dependency. So how to convert? We can put A to D in one relation, C to E in another relation, and we can combine all the three prime attributes into another relation, that is R3 with ABC. R3 with ABC. So R3 with ABC, here both all A, B, C attributes are prime attributes. Now we can move on to third normal form.